Best water parks in the US? Imagine this. The sun's blazing, the pavement sizzling, and all you want is to dive headfirst into pure refreshment. Now picture yourself on a massive raft, flying down a twisting slide, surrounded by palm trees, waterfalls, and endless fun. Yep, you're in a world-class water park camp today. We're counting down the best water parks in the US. Let's find out which parks will blow your expectations out of the water, literally. Number 5. Aquatica Orlando, Florida. Why it's amazing? SeaWorld's aquatic masterpiece. Aquatica blends wild slides with an exotic tropical vibe. It's got clear tube slides that pass through dolphin habitats, a massive wave pool, and a lazy river that winds through lush landscaping. But the real star? Reef Plungia Ride, where you zoom through a transparent tube surrounded by marine life. It's fast, fun, and unforgettable. Aquatica is perfect for both adrenaline seekers and families who just want to float, splash, and chill in the Florida sun. Number 4. Water Country, USA, Virginia. Why it stands out? Big thrills and zero stress. Tucked near Colonial Williamsburg, Water Country, USA feels like a hidden gem. The park features Virginia's largest water rides, including Cutback Water Coaster, which combines high-speed drops with jet-propelled launches. There's also a fantastic wave pool, lazy river, and zones for younger kids. But what really sets it apart is the layout: spacious, clean, and easy to navigate without the chaos of bigger parks. Less waiting, more sliding. Number 3. Schlitterbahn, New Braunfels, Texas. Why is legendary? The original water park empire. Schlitterbahn isn't just a park, it's a pilgrimage for water park fans. Built along the spring-fed Comal River, it's split into multiple sections, each with its own personality. Highlights include the Master Blaster, often called the roller coaster of water rides, natural water tubing, and endless interconnected rides where you don't even leave your tube. It's old school charm meets modern thrill. If you want a water park with character, Schlitterbahn's got soul. Number 2. Kalahari Resorts, Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Why it's unique? Indoor water park magic key. Wisconsin Dells is known as the water park capital of the world, and Kalahari is the crown jewel. This African-themed resort boasts one of the largest indoor water parks in the country. You'll find massive wave pools, surf simulators, dozens of high-speed tube slides, and themed family areas with interactive play zones. And guess what? It's open all year. Rain or snow, doesn't matter. Kalahari delivers summer fun in every season. Number 1. Volcano Bay, Orlando, Florida. Why is number 1? Innovation meets immersion. Universal's Volcano Bay is unlike any other water park in the country. Centered around a giant simulated volcano, this park blends immersive design with cutting-edge tech. You won't carry tubes, you won't wait in long lines. Why? Because of the wearable tech that virtually holds your place in line while you enjoy the rest of the park. Top attractions include Krakatau Aqua Coaster that takes you through the volcano, thrilling trapdoor slides that drop you into vertical plunges, serene, lazy rivers with hidden surprises, and a real sand beach that makes you forget you're in a theme park. Volcano Bay isn't just a water park, it's an escape to another world. Let's recap the best water parks in the US. Aquatica Orlando for marine thrills and smooth slides. Water Country USA for laid-back fun with serious splash. Schlitterbahn for tubing trails and old-school charm. Kalahari Wisconsin Dells for indoor excitement anytime. And Volcano Bay for tech-driven magic and jaw-dropping design. Whether you're into towering coasters, relaxing rivers, or just getting absolutely soaked, there's a park waiting for you. Please drop a comment and tell us, what's your favorite water park ride? And if you felt the splash, just listening, hit that like button and share it with your summer squad.